Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to contact Binance customer support. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Binance tab in the top left hand corner. Now over here, you will have to tap on this headphone icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and then you will be landed on the support page of Binance. Now over here you will be able to see a bunch of different articles from which you can seek help. But if you want to contact to the Binance customer support team directly, then you just have to scroll down a bit and in the bottom you will be able to see the option of get support. So once you tap on get support, you will be redirected on this inquiry page where you just have to use this message bar in the bottom, and then among the given questions, if you have any of the questions in this list, then select it and press enter, or you can even write your own question in this section and then press enter. Then you just have to wait for some time until it assigns you the Binance agent, and then you will be able to contact the Binance customer support. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.